Magnolia, welcome to OT Group. Let's see what we're going to explore today. Today, for Sensory Explorers, we're going to say hello by doing zap fingers with mom and dad. Zap! Now we'll go over our senses. We see with our eyes. We hear with our ears. We smell with our nose. We taste with our mouth. And we touch with our fingers. Show me some wiggle fingers. Good job, Magnolia. Today, we will explore using our ears for hearing. And we're going to hear some sounds. So first, Miss Seema is going to play a sound, and then you're going to tell me what the sound is. Are we ready? Give me a thumbs up. So let's listen very carefully for our first sound. What's that sound? That sounded like birds. Those were birds chirping. Did you guess right? Let's see what the next sound is. What was that noise? Can you guess what it is? That's right. It was a cow mooing. How silly. Okay, let's do our third sound. I think it's rain falling. Wow, I like that sound a lot. Let's do our next sound. That sounds like kids playing. I know that could be hard, but that sounds like when all of Magnolia plays together. Okay, here's our next sound. What's that sound? It sounds like a train on the railroad tracks. Good job, Magnolia. So for our last sound, I want you to make your own sound. So take a video of your sound and send it to Miss Seema so that I can see. Today, I'm going to use a paper cup and a pencil to make a drum. You guys ready? So that's my sound, and that made me feel very happy. I can't wait to see what your sound is. You can pause the video now to make your sound and record it. And when you're all done, we will do our reflection. So for reflection today, did we do water beads or did we listen to sounds? That's right. We listened to sounds using our ears. Did you explore with our noses or our ears? That's easy. We used our ears today for hearing sounds. Hearing sounds makes me feel happy or sad. Some sounds might make you feel upset, but I hope these sounds made you feel happy. I felt very happy making sounds with my own drum. So today we will say bye by doing zap fingers with mom or dad. Make sure you say zap loudly so we can all hear it. Okay, bye, Magnolia.